all, welcome to our new series Learn German Easily. In this lesson, we will be learning few basic greetings. Hallo, used when you meet people at any time of the day. This is most commonly used in all over Germany. Guten Morgen. This is to wish someone good morning or a nice morning. Guten Abend. This is to wish someone a good evening. Gute Nacht. This is to wish someone a good night. Generally used before going to bed. Guten Tag. This is to wish someone a good day formally or to wish someone good afternoon formally or informally. This can be used at any time of the day. Grüß Gott. This originates from Austria and commonly used in Bayern, a biggest state of Germany. Auf Wiedersehen. This is the way of saying goodbye formally. Auf Wiederhören. This is the way of saying goodbye on telephone. Bis bald is used informally, mostly amongst friends. Bis später, used informally, mostly amongst friends. Servus. This could be used as both hello or bye at any time of the day, mostly in southern Germany. Tschüss. This is informal way of saying goodbye. I hope you got all the greetings. Thanks for watching this video.